Hi, and welcome to the HTML5 and CSS tutorial. This tutorial is geared towards absolute beginners that just started to learn web development. The format of this course will be in 10 to 15-minute videos on a specific topic so that you can easily come back to it later. This is the website we'll be building at the end of this course to put the knowledge that we have gained to the test. This website contains a lot of golden nuggets like where to get fonts, free stock images, and icons that you may need as a web developer. So, what will you be learning? The basics: what is HTML5? What is the bare-bones structure of an HTML5 document? Elements, attributes, meta tags, forms, links, images, how to work with images, Flexbox, grid, HTML5 entities, HTML5 semantics, CSS, and of course our final project. These are the tools that I will be using: Visual Studio Code, Live Server extension. These tools are optional, but I highly recommend that you use them and get comfortable with them, as they will make your job of web development a lot easier. In the next video, we will set up Visual Studio Code and the Live Server extension. Thanks for watching and see you there.